If you've ever opened your renewal notice and wondered, why did my rate go up? I didn't even file a claim, you're not alone. Insurance rates can increase for a bunch of reasons, some of which are completely outside your control. Sometimes it's personal, like if you got a speeding ticket, filed a claim, or added a new driver to your policy. But other times it's industry-wide. For example, if repair costs or medical expenses are rising in your area, everyone's rates may go up even if you've been a perfect driver. Your location matters too. If there's been an increase in accidents, thefts, or natural disasters in your zip code, insurers may adjust rates for everyone there. So what can you do? First, don't be afraid to shop around. Just because your current insurer raised your rate doesn't mean another company won't offer you a better deal. Second, look into discounts. Bundling, safe driver programs, or even installing a telematics device that tracks your driving could lower your premium. You can also review your coverage. Maybe you don't need as much protection on an older car, or maybe raising your deductible could lower your monthly payment. The key is to stay proactive. Insurance isn't a set-it-and-forget-it expense. A little research and negotiation can go a long way in keeping your rates manageable. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.